Hello doctors, I'm Meeta, your NEET counseling advisor from NEET Predictor. Welcome to NEET MDS 2024 information video series. In today's video, we will share you MDS branch-wise deemed universities closing rank 2024 for the round 1. Let's begin with conservative dentistry and endodontics. Savita Chennai 2058, IDS Bhubaneswar 2188, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 2281, AB Shetty Mangaluru 2502, Rural Loni 2587, JSS Mysore 2600, Ramachandra Chennai 2832, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 2834, KLE VK Belgavi 3037, KM Shah Vadodara 3132, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Sangli 3205, Sharad Pawar Varda 3459, Sri Siddhartha Tumkuru 3524, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Navi Mumbai 4034, Amrita Kochi 4267, Yenapoya Mangaluru 4270, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 4320, Manipal Mangaluru 4326, KIMS DU Kharad 4361, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 4526, Meenakshi Chennai 5545, Manipal College Manipal 5561, SRM Chennai 5585, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 6010, SRM Kanchipuram 6311, Sri Balaji Chennai 7449, Manav Rachna Faridabad 8083, MM Mulana 8220, Satyabhama Chennai 9793, PMS Salim 9952, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 10211, Santosh Ghaziabad 11739. Oral surgery, JSS Mysore 841, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 1036, Amrita Kochi 1587, IDS Bhubaneswar 1721, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 1798, Savita Chennai 2119, AB Shetty Mangaluru 2268, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Sangli 2304, KLE VK Belgavi 2595, Ramachandra Chennai 2615, Manipal College Manipal 2825, Rural Loni 2875, Sharad Pawar Varda 2925, KM Shah Vadodara 3072, Yenapoya Mangaluru 3277, KIMS DU Kharad 3430, SRM Kanchipuram 4029, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 4035, Manipal Mangaluru 4157, DY Patil Pimpri 4667, Sri Siddhartha Tumkuru 5017, MM Mulana 5256, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 5638, Meenakshi Chennai 6353, SRM Chennai 6654, Sri Balaji Chennai 6710, BMS Salim 6912, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 8420, Santosh Ghaziabad 9234. Oral medicine, Yenapoya Mangaluru 4963, KLE VK Belgavi 6588, Ramachandra Chennai 8531, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 9439, Manipal College Manipal 10809, IDS Bhubaneswar 11374, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 11886, AB Shetty Mangaluru 12456, MM Mulana 13125, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 13622, SRM Chennai 13827, Sharad Pawar Varda 13850, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 14319, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 14720, Savita Chennai 15612, Rural Loni 15881, Meenakshi Chennai 16023. Orthodontics, Amrita Kochi 2952, AB Shetty Mangaluru 2962, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 3261, Savita Chennai 3311, KLE VK Belgavi 3347, IDS Bhubaneswar 3395, JSS Mysore 3400, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 3504, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Sangli 3711, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Navi Mumbai 3871, Yenapoya Mangaluru 4572, Ramachandra Chennai 4828, KIMS DU Kharad 4992, KM Shah 5096, Rural Loni 5099, Sharad Pawar Varda 5277, Sri Siddhartha Tumkuru 5318, Manipal College Manipal 6155, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 6198, Sri Balaji Chennai 6385, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 6728, Meenakshi Chennai 7463, SRM Chennai 7805, Manav Rachna Faridabad 7969, SRM Kanchipuram 8201, BMS Salem 8623, Manipal Mangaluru 8660, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 8923, Satyabhama Chennai 9001, MM Mulana 9903, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 10993, Santosh Ghaziabad 11517. Pedodontics, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 3678, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 4261, Savita Chennai 4400, Rural Loni 4761, JSS Mysuru 4772, Ramachandra Chennai 5024, IDS Bhubaneswar 5137, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Navi Mumbai 5389, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Sangli 5665, KIMS DU Kharar 6204, Meenakshi Chennai 6345, Sharad Pawar Varda 6450, AB Shetty Mangaluru 6479, Yanapoya Mangaluru 6708, Sri Siddhartha Tumkuru 7009, KM Shah Vadodara 7022, KLE VK Belgavi 7432, SRM Chennai 7704, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 8413, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 8785, Manipal Mangaluru 9288, Manipal College Manipal 9661, Sri Balaji Chennai 10048, SRM Kanchipuram 10300, Satyabhama Chennai 10432, BMS Salem 10655, Amrita Kochi 10995, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 11007, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 11670, MM Mulana 12204, Santosh Ghaziabad 15228, Manav Rachna Faridabad 15466. Periodontology, IDS Bhubaneswar 6553, Savita Chennai 6771, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 7004, Rural Loni 9028, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 9426, Manipal Mangaluru 9457, Manipal College Manipal 10278, Ramachandra Chennai 10405, AB Shetty Mangaluru 10626, Manav Rachna Faridabad 11265, JSS Mysuru 11564, KM Shah Vadodara 11627, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 12059, Sri Siddhartha Tumkuru 12218, Sharad Pawar Varda 12367, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Sangli 12450, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Navi Mumbai 13056, SRM Chennai 13097, KIMS DU Kharar 13495, Meenakshi Chennai 13545, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 13553, Santosh Ghaziabad 13557, Amrita Kochi 13747, Sri Balaji Chennai 13768, SRM Kanchipuram 14031, BMS Salem 14401, Yanapoya Mangaluru 14464, KLE VK Belgavi 15445, MM Mulana 15632, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 15858, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 16160. Prosthodontics, Savita Chennai 1282, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Sangli 2078, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Pune 2211, AB Shetty Mangaluru 2370, Rural Loni 2406, IDS Bhubaneswar 2447, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 2935, KLE VK Belgavi 3024, KIMS DU Kharar 3189, Manipal Mangaluru 3781, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 3820, Bharatiya Vidyapeth Navi Mumbai 3943, Sharad Pawar Varda 4182, JSS Mysuru 4797, Ramachandra Chennai 4877, KM Shah Vadodara 4924, Yanapoya Mangaluru 5473, SRM Chennai 5843, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 6085, SRM Kanchipuram 6138, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 6518, Sri Siddhartha Tumkuru 6574, Amrita Kochi 6964, Manipal College Manipal 6997, MM Mulana 8665, Meenakshi Chennai 8931, VMS Salem 9235, Sri Balaji Chennai 9467, Manav Rachna Faridabad 10896, Santosh Ghaziabad 11356, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 12150. Public Dentistry, KLE VK Belgavi 4482, MM Mulana 4629, Manipal College Manipal 4917, Savita Chennai 8548, Kalinga Bhubaneswar 8977, DY Patil Pimpri Pune 9008, Meenakshi Chennai 9857, IDS Bhubaneswar 11102, Amrita Kochi 11157, KM Shah Vadodara 13953, Indira Gandhi Puducherry 14761, SRM Chennai 15813. Oral Pathology and Microbiology, KM Shah Vadodara 1391, Thai Mugambigai Chennai 9506, Savita Chennai 10151, SRM Chennai 11242, Rural Loni 12398, KLE VK Belgavi 13707, Meenakshi Chennai 14324, Ramachandra Chennai 14591, AB Shetty Mangaluru 15386, Sri Balaji Chennai 15480. Thank you for watching this video. For any queries on NEET MDS counseling and admission, kindly reach us onto the given number.